Welcome back to our channel. The Car Cove. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Alto modifications. If you're looking to enhance your car's performance and aesthetics, you're in the right place. Let's explore some popular modifications, their benefits and expected costs. Performance upgrades. One of the first modifications many Alto owners consider is enhancing performance. Installing a high-performance air filter can improve airflow, resulting in better acceleration. You can expect to spend around $50 to $100 for a quality air filter. Another great upgrade is a sports exhaust system. This not only boosts performance but also gives your Alto a sportier sound. Prices for a good exhaust system typically range from $300 to $600. Suspension modifications. Next, let's talk about suspension. Upgrading to a sport suspension kit can dramatically improve handling and ride quality. Brands like Koni and Bilstein offer kits ranging from $500 to $1,200. This is a worthwhile investment if you enjoy spirited driving. Aesthetic changes. Now, let's focus on aesthetics. Adding a body kit can transform the look of your Alto. Kits usually include front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and more. You can find complete kits priced between $400 and $1,000, depending on the brand and materials used. Don't forget about the wheels. Upgrading to lightweight alloy wheels can enhance both performance and appearance. A decent set of alloys can cost between $300 and $1,000. Interior modifications. Moving to the interior, installing a new sound system can make your driving experience much more enjoyable. A quality audio system, including speakers and a head unit, can be set up for around $200 to $600. Another popular modification is upgrading the seats. Sport seats provide better support during drives and can enhance the overall look of your interior. Expect to pay around $400 to $800 for a good set of sport seats. Lighting and tech upgrades. Lighting modifications are also a great way to personalize your Alto. LED headlights and tail lights improve visibility and add a modern touch. Upgrading your lights can cost anywhere from $100 to $300. Lastly, consider adding tech features like a reverse camera or a touchscreen infotainment system. These upgrades not only boost convenience but also increase safety. You can find these systems priced between $200 and $800. Conclusion. In summary, modifying your Alto can enhance both performance and aesthetics, making your driving experience even more enjoyable. Whether you're on a budget or looking to go all out, there are plenty of options available. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what modifications you're considering for your Alto. Thanks for watching and see you next time.